Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students, dear friends, dear viewers of YouTube. Dear friends, on my actual YouTube channel under title Physics Lectures by Rajput Abdul Wahid Bhatti, I have made every possible attempt to make that channel successful. Okay, actually I am not an IT expert. Okay, I have no academic background about computer science education, information technology education, or software engineering education, etc. Okay, my qualification is only about physics and mathematics. Okay, so it is not easy for me without the assistance of some experts in this field. Okay, without the help or assistance of relevant experts, I cannot make my channel successful on YouTube. Okay, I have made every possible attempt for its success. Okay, for example, dear students, dear friends, dear viewers, I have shared link of my YouTube channel on timeline of my friends on Facebook. I have shared my video lectures on my LinkedIn account, Facebook account, Twitter account, Pinterest account, Flickr account, etc. Okay. Moreover, on Reddit account, on VK account, on OK account, on Kakao Talk, and some more similar apps. Okay, but despite all these attempts, during last 6 or 7 years, I have been able to attract only 175 subscribers and about 15,000 or 16,000 views on my YouTube channel, which is quite unsatisfactory. Okay, dear students, when I think causes of failure of my YouTube channel, then I come to conclude two possibilities. First possibility is that perhaps quality of my video lectures or style of my teaching or delivering true sense of physics is poor, due to which my video lectures do not deserve upgradation or better rating, etc. Okay. On the other hand, dear friends, dear students, dear dear viewers, sometimes another idea also come in mind, that it is quite possible that some jealousy elements might had taken help of some social media expert, some IT expert, some computer science specialist, some software engineer, etc., which had utilized her or his expertise against promotion of my YouTube channel. Okay, in this connection, various factors come in mind. First factor is that a few years earlier, about 6 or 7 years, I had written various articles on LinkedIn in which I had opposed engineering profession. Because, dear students, dear friends, dear viewers, I am a WAPDA employee and I have served for about 30 years in WAPDA. And my abilities were not recognized properly, due to which I had some adverse approach towards this engineering profession. Okay, so I had written several articles on LinkedIn in which I had expressed adverse opinion towards engineering profession. So definitely some engineers or some of my colleagues or some WAPDA employees may become my enemy, and they had played their role adversely. Okay, and other factor which comes in my mind is that I had also written some articles on LinkedIn in which I had severely opposed policies of virtual university, which has still, despite more than 20 years, virtual university was established in the year 2002 and this is 2023. It means more than 20 years have elapsed and virtual university has yet not been able to launch BS Physics or even associate degree in physics. Okay, so I was very disappointed in this connection and I had written some articles in which I had opposed this trend of virtual university. Okay, and I had expressed dissatisfaction and concern over the abilities of rector of virtual university and also some tutor of virtual university who had taught only one course of physics, that is PHY 101 physics, general physics. Okay, namely perhaps Parvez Hoodbai. Okay, actually I had an intention that virtual university should launch at least BS program, but despite 20 more than 20 years it has not yet been able to launch BS Physics, and so accordingly I had expressed my views which had gone against the interest of virtual university. So in short, I have some doubt that factors which are opposing my YouTube channel either belong to WAPDA or belong to engineering profession or belong to virtual university or belong to COMSAT's Institute of Information Technology, which has now been upgraded as a full-fledged university, COMSAT University. Okay, so behind the failure of my YouTube channel, the most probable factors which might have affected promotion of my YouTube channel adversely may either belong to WAPDA or engineering profession or virtual university or concept university. Okay. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.